Yo, what's up, Las Vegas? I'm Felipe Dantes, your local high-end audio salesman here in Las Vegas. And I got some new equipment for you guys to check out. These right here, this is more of my preference type of speakers. These are JBLs in very good condition. The model on the bookshelves here, they are E50. And when you look them up, they're just like, they're not, when you look them up, you'll see that it doesn't say anything about monitor. But from my opinion, because I make digital audio instrumentals, these are like monitors to me for making music. They got a 8-inch polypass driver with a 0.75-inch titanium tweeter, and it's got a 4-inch polypass mid driver. I really like how these hit. These hit pretty hard, and so does that 10-inch subwoofer. That 10-inch subwoofer, the model is E150P, and it has 250 watt max peak on it. I would actually make music with these if I decided to keep these, but in my bedroom I got some Warfidels with some 8-inch drivers, and it's got a horn tweeter and a horn mid. But these are in excellent condition. I have the screens for these, and like I said, they hit hard. So if you are a beat maker, if you make music, if you make instrumentals, I would definitely suggest these right here. That is, of course, if you have a really nice receiver. I got a Sansui G8700. It's 160 watts per channel, so it's definitely gonna pump out some nice wattage and some clean power. But if you know, your regular old studio that you just connect to your computer through studio monitors, like, I'm not into that. I like doing it like this. But yeah, these are the JBLs. These are very nice. Stands are not included. I'm selling this one here for $380, and I believe the bookshelves are 8 ohms, and they are 170 watt max peak. But yeah, $380 here at Speaker Gang. Over here we got the Polk Audio 5.1 speaker set, very nice. I believe this may be like a rose finish on the towers. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's a rose finish. So these are the R50 towers, and they sound pretty good. They hit pretty good. Let me see. They are 8 ohms. They are 8 ohms, 150 watt max. Input. I like how they sound. From my opinion and from my experience of Polk Audio, what I noticed about Polk Audio is that Polk Audio has a very nice tweeter. That they have a very nice built-in tweeter. They are excellent for movies. If I were to have a home theater, I would definitely want some Polk Audio tweeters. Just the Polk Audio tweeters. I like. Now the drivers, they hit pretty decent too. What I don't like about Polk Audio is that they only keep the 6.5-inch drivers. I like 8-inch drivers. I want my music to knock. I want my movies to knock. I want it to hit hard. So, but Polk Audio is great. It's got a very clean, high-pitch quality sound about it. And like I said, the tweeters are really nice. Now back to the spec. So that's the towers. It's got the 6.5-inch drivers. It's got the 0.75-inch dome tweeter. And these bookshelves, they got the same 0.75-inch tweeter. These are the T15 bookshelves. These are 8 ohms, 100 watt max, and they got a 5.25-inch driver. These sound pretty good. They hit pretty good. These would be your surrounds in this set right here. And then moving on to the center, I think the center is probably like the best piece out of all these pieces. I like the center the most. It's got a 1-inch silk polymer tweeter, and this is that type of tweeter that I'm talking about. Very high pitch, clean, and very nice. These are also 6.5-inch drivers. They hit really well. Moving on to the subwoofer. This is a 12-inch subwoofer. These are more common in a 10-inch. I haven't came across many that are 12 inches, but this is the PSW 450 12-inch Polk Audio subwoofer. Hits really good. I didn't hear it clip when you turn it up all the way, so that's a good thing. It's 350 watt peak sub power. And yeah, that sums it up for the Polk Audio 5.1 system here. It's in pretty good condition. I would say there's just a couple little dings here and there, no big deal, as you can see, but other than that, it sounds excellent. This one I'm selling for $380 as well. All right, moving on. We have here a complete, no, it's not complete. This is a 5.1 Bose. I thought it was complete, but no, it's not. It's so we got 2 Bose towers. We got the 2 Bose bookshelf speakers and a Bose center, but the middle is not a Bose. It's an Energy. I'll get to that in a moment. But here we have the 301 4 Series directional reflecting speakers, Bose. It's got the 2-inch target and tweeter. It's pretty crispy clean. You know, if you compare these to one of those aluminum dome tweeters, I would say they're probably almost equivalent. This one right here might be a little bit more high pitch, but that's the crossover on the inside. Then we have a 8-inch driver. These right here hit pretty good, but it doesn't have as much pullback as I would like for it to have. When I listen to music, I like music that's got some hard kicks and some hard bass. The pullback on this is not as good as I want it to be, but it is, how can I say, it's pretty satisfying. Not as satisfying, but it's okay. And then here we have a 3-inch direct reflecting tweeter. So it's a dipole speaker. You're gonna get sound bouncing off the walls. You got your passive hole here. You're gonna get some nice bass. It's a good speaker. It's a very common speaker. It's sought out after, and I like it. Stands are included in these. Moving on, we got the towers here. This is the 501 series, Series 5. And these here are 4 to 8 ohms, as well as the bookshelves. The bookshelves are 4 to 8 ohms as well. This one has a 200 watt max, and it's got 2.5-inch tweeters, as you can see. And on the inside of this, as you can see, it's just a tower with the 2 tweeters there, and it's got nothing but some passive holes here on the back. That's because on the inside there is a 5.25-inch driver that's gonna support your bass. So you're gonna get your bass from the inside. You can't see the drivers. I don't like that, but it's how these towers are built. And I believe it's also very good for bass. You're gonna get more bass like that. Moving on here, we have the Bose VCS 10-inch center. And this one is 8 ohms, 100 watt max, and it's got 2.5-inch drivers on the inside. This is not a bad center. It sounds okay. It's got the 2 little passives right here. And here is the last one. This is an Energy subwoofer, and the model is 10 sub. Energy, if you guys don't know, is made by Clips. Clips makes Energy, Clips makes Jammo, Clips makes a couple other products, but this is a Clips subwoofer, and surprisingly, I was kind of blown away. This little tiny 10-inch subwoofer sounds amazing. It sounds like almost a 15. Not quite there, but almost there. This little subwoofer hits hard, let me tell you. I like it, but I'm not gonna put that in my room. It's a good subwoofer. So this set here is a 5.1. You got the Bose bookshelves. You got the Bose towers and the Bose center with the Energy subwoofer. I'm selling this set for $480. Hear it before you buy it. So yes, I am Felipe Dantas, your high-end audio salesman here in Las Vegas. Hit me up on Facebook, hit me up on Instagram. Hit me up. Hit me up. I'm always posting new stuff at least once a week or twice a week or every other week. I'm always posting something. Check me out. I'm off of East Charleston near Nellis. I make sure all my customers are happy. They hear everything before they buy it. Hit me up. You guys have a wonderful evening.